All right, so good day, guys. Good day, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here. Gentle reminder, as always, to hit the likes button on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the content as well. Share the video, free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. You guys see the banner at the end of your screen. JFF do this for Reiss Nelson. No, many of you know by now that Reiss Nelson is currently on the island. He came here on vacation, from my understanding of it, and he's currently, on the island. Many of you know that Reiss Nelson is a top reggae boy prospect. For want of a better word, he is a player that we want in our national setup, right? Because he is eligible to represent us. This video is basically going to be giving some advice to the Jamaica Football Federation, right? Giving some advice to the JFF. Do this for Reiss Nelson, right? So oftentimes when the Jamaica Football Federation and players overseas make contact, it is usually, for instance, over the phone or stuff like that, right? Because of the distance between, obviously Jamaica Football Federation here in Jamaica and the players across the pond over in Europe, because most of the players we recruit into the national setup overseas born are from England, right? So oftentimes that's the case, and there is no real personal feel, no real personal touch to it, right? No real personal connection, so to speak, right? In my humble opinion, the JFF should not let this opportunity pass, ladies and gentlemen. This is a perfect opportunity to create a personal connection with Reiss Nelson, like how he's here on the rock in person. We're talking about a top Reggae Boyz prospect, a player of a very high caliber that we are looking to recruit into our national setup, and would be a massive win for us if we could convince him to come on board, not only because of the quality that he brings, but just the ripple effect, the snowball effect that it would have on other players that are eligible. Seeing a player of Reiss Nelson's caliber and also his age joining up with our national team, right? So this is a perfect opportunity, JFF. You cannot make this go to waste. You guys gonna have to do something. JFF, you guys have to do something while Reiss Nelson is here on the rock. Come up with something, come up with a nice gesture, something that can touch Reiss Nelson. Send him a nice package, of anything, just a nice package. Just come up with something nice to send the player, send it guy hotel room, something. Me personally, would include a jersey in the package, a Jamaica Reggae Boyz official authentic Adidas kit. And you know me that do to, ladies and gentlemen, me that fling the ball and name on the back of it, the big nails up on the back of it, with the number that he wears at Arsenal. Put that on the back of the jersey and send it in a package, the nice package when I send Reiss Nelson. I'm hotel room. You can even arrange for it to be specially delivered. Just come up with something, send him a nice gift basket, something. You guys, well, if I was a top man in the JFF, if me was the president of the Jamaica Football Federation, I would arrange to have a meeting with Reiss Nelson. Me and the coach have a meeting with Reiss Nelson. Me that even set up bomb and bring another reggae boy, a high ranking, one of the top reggae boys. Shamar Boza Nicholson is currently on the island. Try and see if you can drag him along. Have a quick meeting with Reiss Nelson. Obviously, you don't want to take up too much time, vacation time. As a matter of fact, take him out to lunch. You wouldn't be wasting any of his time because the dog have to eat. The baller have to eat, him have to eat food, him have to eat lunch. Invite him out to lunch and have a special personal meeting with the player in person. Me that even people, if it was me, not people, ladies and gentlemen, if it was me that go all out, me that go hard. If he's still in the island for June 6th, we World Cup friendly against the Dominican Republic. Invite him as a special guest to the game. Announce over the PA system that the big Arsenal star baller is here with us in the National Stadium watching the game. Me that take it a step further, me that organize a fan chant. We want Nelson, we want Nelson. Una happy God. Una can't take mediocre like a pian approach to recruiting top quality players. Una happy God. The moral of the story is una happy God. Think of creative ways to try and get this baller to come on board. Una happy God. Think of creative ways to make him know that he is wanted by Jamaica. You have to utilize the soft skills, JFF. You have to utilize the soft skills. Just do something that will leave a lasting impression. You cannot let this opportunity go to waste. A top Reggae Boyz prospect, a player who has suited up on many occasions for Arsenal. At the current moment, he's not near the England team, but guess what? He is certainly good enough to have a massive impact for the Jamaica Reggae Boyz. He's a top prospect that can add a world of value to the Jamaica national setup, especially now that, you know, the Leon Bailey scenario, there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding Bailey's involvement going forward. He adds strength, he adds depth, a whole lot of quality to our attacking front line. JFF, you have to make use of this opportunity now, plus the snowball effect. You have to make use of this opportunity right now, JFF. JFF, do this for Reiss Nelson now. Just come up with something creative, go hard or go home. Hit me up in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. Knock up the likes button, subscribe and share to the TheFormulaSports channel. Free and easy ways to support the channel. Is not every day a top Reggae Boyz prospect that is at the level of Reiss Nelson is on the island. When he is, you have to go hard. And not only for Nelson, to any one of them will show up on vacation, you have to go hard to establish, to build a personal connection with them. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And until next time.